how to use points in Shein. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to me, and then you're gonna have to simply tap on points at the top, and then here you're gonna see how many points you have. Now as you can see, if we go here on their app, and then we see on here about the usage of Shein points, as you can see, points are independent on each of the Shein sites. The balance is displayed on the points history page. It is the balance available to you on the current site. As you can see, every 100 points equals $1. You can use the points to deduct up to 70% of the total amount of products when you place your order. Only the total price of the products is supported, excluding postage, insurance, and taxes. So basically, when you go to the checkout page, you're gonna have the option to use your points to get that discount. So you're gonna have to simply select to use those points, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.